Before I jump into the video, I do want to say thank you for tuning in. I also want to say that everything in this closet will be linked down below. Also, the lighting will be a little bit off because we do not have closet lights. Like, there's no electricity in our closets, so please bear with me. When it comes to seeing inside these closets, I have to turn on every light around here, like the bathroom light, the living room light, in order to see inside our closets, unfortunately. So first off, let's talk about my cat's area. So I have his little crate there when we go to the vet. It has 2 openings, which was required by his vet. So it has a front opening and it has a top opening, which I think it's great to have because sometimes cats are afraid to get out of the cage, and it's just a lot easier to take him in and out through the top part. As for the basket, that is just filled with his favorite toys. My cat has had quite a few toys over the years, and we did declutter a lot. Some have also ripped pretty bad too, so we had to like throw them out. So whatever's in that basket is things that aren't broken and things that he loves. As for the bag on the side, that's actually mine, and it has my hairbrushes. It has my it used to have my makeup, but I don't wear makeup anymore, so it just has a lot of like my reusable nail filers, a little bit of a miscellaneous beauty items. And as you guys can probably see, that little bar over there, we used to have like the shelving was a little bit too much. We had about 6 shelves, so I decreased the shelving to add more space in the closet, and the extra shelves are in the storage unit outside. All these apartments come with like it's like a closet out on the balcony, so I just have them there, so when we move I can just place them as they were. So most of you already know I own 2 of these baskets, these seagrass baskets. They were worth every penny. I think I paid like $15 each for them. They were in the clearance rack at Home Goods. I want to say maybe like a year and a half ago. I forgot when I purchased them, but it's been a while. And I used to stock up a lot on our main essentials, and I stopped stocking up, and now these baskets are used for linen. I will do a whole separate video on why I stopped stocking up on items. I think most of it had to do with fear, but stay tuned for that video. But when it comes to this particular basket, this is just the towel area. So inside I have my waffle bath towels. I own 4 of them, so I just keep my extra towels in that basket. As for like on top of the basket, I have a different type of towel, which is my partner's. He likes that material a lot better, but both of our towels are made from 100% cotton. They're just made a little, well, the texture is a little different, I should say. As for the small towel on top of the large one, that is my hair towel. That is from Crown Affair. I've had that for about a year now. I absolutely love that towel. Again, it is a little bit more on the pricey side, but it is phenomenal. And I don't get headaches with that hair towel like I used to with the other hair towels that I used to use. Before I get into that middle part, I want to talk about what is in that top part. I hope you guys can hear me. I have the camera like all the way up in the air. That little basket also has linen. So on the left side of the basket, it has our sheets for our bed, and on the right side, it has our pillowcases. Like I said, we have extra because I like to swap out the pillowcases every other day, and I like to swap out the sheets every Sunday, so once a week. Again, I know that might sound pretty excessive for the average person, but I just try to keep everything as clean as possible for my skin. Now, moving into this main section, I do want to say that I have gone through so many different like vibes, I guess you could say, with this middle part, because this is technically my area, like my beauty area. So I do own a double-sided mirror This comes in handy when I am fixing up my eyebrows. As for this area, these are all the products that I use. Again, I am very, very minimal with my products. The only bottle that is missing from here, it is a little bit too big to fit on this tray, and that is my giant castor oil bottle, which I have it in the bathroom. So when it comes to these products, I just have my deodorant. Behind my deodorant, I have my leave-in conditioner. I use the leave-in conditioner on the bottom parts of my hair because it is very expensive. I don't want to use the entire bottle because if I use it on my hair every time I wash it, that will run out pretty fast. As for the middle part, I have my scalp oil, which is the small bottle, and the last oil behind the small bottle. I've been using that hair oil for a long time. I think the first time I purchased it was in 2015. It's just amazing. Like what that hair oil does for my length, it just makes my hair like shiny, and I've seen such a huge difference with the health of my hair with using oils. As for the little cream ceramic jar that holds my razors, my razor heads, and yes, I'm still using Venus. I know some people don't like it. I've tried so many other razors before. I've tried safety razors. I didn't find them very safe. This is the only razor that works with my skin. Like I said, I have very sensitive skin, so this is the only one that works. I ended up purchasing that ceramic little holder from Target months ago, and I didn't have in mind to purchase anything for my razor heads. I actually just had them sprawled out in this closet. What really caught my eye with the ceramic holder was that it was $5, and I knew it would fit all my razor heads. So not only was it on sale, but I knew I was going to get use out of it. So it wasn't just like an aesthetic decor item. I knew that I was going to get use out of it. On top of the ceramic holder, I have my cuticle oil that literally will last you forever because a little bit goes a long way, and that one is unscented, which I love, but they do have scented ones if you're interested, but that's like a one-time buy with that bottle. I mean, it's oil. I don't know if oil expires. I feel like it doesn't. Maybe I'm wrong, but I've had no problems with that oil. I use it on my toes, I use it on my fingernails, and it works phenomenal. And the last product that I own is a lip balm. I only own one. Like I said, I'm not stocking up on things anymore. I'm just using things until they're completely gone, and then I will rebuy them. And the last thing that I like to keep on the side is my wallet and my keys. So whenever I'm about to leave the house, this is where I will grab my things to go grocery shopping or run an errand. And also with that wallet, I recently just switched my small wallet to a larger wallet. I don't own a purse. I know some people are like, what? I have a whole video that I made back in 2017 on why I do not own a purse. I used to be obsessed with purses. I used to own like 50 to 70 purses, and I'm glad that I have just a wallet now. I went with that wallet because it fits my phone in the zipper pocket perfectly fine, and all I have to do is carry my keys and my wallet, and that's it.